Today, I'm making the world's best iced coffee. Creamy, delicious, and cafe quality. All you need is a number of ingredients. Let's get rolling. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be making with our chef, our guest, myself, we'll be doing a quick and easy iced coffee. For these ingredients you'll need milk, vanilla extract, an espresso, honey, a glass, and last but not least, some Hague's chocolate for decoration. So take your cup and cut your espresso extract and put it into the cup. Shake it around and now get an espresso machine. I have a Breville one here. It doesn't have a grinder but it's pretty good. And turn it on. You can put your cup into the nozzle where the hot water comes out and switch to hot water mode and just twist it or whatever, however, and just wait a couple of minutes until it's about 1/3 full of your cup. Take it out and now just give it a nice swirl so you can get the good ingredients. Now let's get our milk and open it up. Now you can get a cocktail shaker and you can use that, or you can just you don't have to shake it up, depends how you like to use it, but I'm using a cocktail shaker. So pour the milk in and pour in your extract. Now get your vanilla extract and open it up. Just put about 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, depending how sweet you want your coffee to be, your iced coffee. Now grab your honey and put again 1 to 2 teaspoons or tablespoons, whatever you like. I recommend a teaspoon. Put that in and give it a nice stir so all the honey comes out of your spoon. And put the lid on. Next, what you want to do is just shake it up. You can see about for a minute, just shake it up. And now open it up. Now what you want to do is you can see what it should look like. Now grab your glass and pour the contents in. Now the next step is you want to put some ice. I got some ice cubes here. Put some ice, a few ice cubes. And this is what your iced coffee is. For decoration purposes, you can put some Hague's chocolate or any chocolate flakes to give it a nicer flavor. You can add whipped cream if you'd like, but that is basically the iced coffee.